I think it's the biggest squirrel I've ever seen.
Oh,
What is it? Is it a squirrel? Green wing?
Well, when she gets to playing, she bites. It's kind of tough. Hello? Hello? He's a real good talker, but I can seldom get him to talk when anybody's here.
That's everybody always says that. I heard them talk when I was coming up.
Yeah, good.
What do you think?
Yeah, that's a mature male, and he might bite you if you stick his hand together. The little green lovebirds for sale. Little green lovebirds for sale. The Amazon is for sale.
Yeah, both you made or you made both of them?
None of these are my babies except those. The babies
You look like you're...
I'm having my 12 babies right now. We've got one blue and gold sitting on eggs now. She hasn't had them long enough to tell. So you're making them right. Right now, the babies we have are on rolls. If you want to look at them.
Yeah. What is the quality of that?
Will he bite when he gets older?
We get 1,000 for him, and that's weaned.
Will he bite when he gets older?
No.
So, Dad, what do you think of all these birds, huh? Are these yours? Huh? You love them?
Yeah.
Oh, look, the little people.
Yes.
How many do you have outside?
The breeders, what do we got? 20 pair, 25 pair?
You see, I've taken a job down here in Norfolk. I got the whole, doing a new PCS, the cellular telephone network in here. And I'm waiting to move them down.
Yeah, that's some more birds over there. I was going to get this one out.
You ever hear of
This one has a neck problem. Cracker, so. I hope so. He won't ever be for sale. Well, he hatched upside down. He was upside down in the egg, and it made him in an odd position, which made him
That's just like
wrong.
a child.
Yeah. Straighten it up.
Smoking sign, she deep leaving her rig and script jig bag over there in front of normal.
What's in here? Nothing right here.
Oh, look at that. That how much is that? Oh, Dad, she's so big.
This one back here is a week old. This one's not for
I know,
good
I know.
yet. They don't have, they never have, they're just like that white.
Oh, hey. Can I scare you a little bit?
They're all umbrellas.
But from the two that are out there?
Oh, no, those are. If I let him down, he can't hold his head up. It goes back on his back.
Dad, did you see this?
Yeah, look at them. So pretty.
Do you have any birds that are playing with your
Huh?
Well, you want to get one, and you're almost as big as a hyacinth. Yes, you are. Oh, yeah, I'm not going to let you grab it. I don't want him to grab it either.
Well, I watch them anytime they're together.
Got your picture taken? You're so beautiful. Wow.
How much is he at?
Fold it. Down here, every one of
Rolling? How many pairs you have? Yeah. Slow it down.
I Clive just feel, he's really just feeling.
Oh, this is a real.
Well, actually,
Man, my kid, what, sticks a pan up right? Scared bird, got a hold of it.
Ooh,
That bird, but it's so
I sold him a bit.
What is he doing?
now this one's made, I'm gonna rate it.
It's just a little tiny kid.
He wants the bag.
You just get a card?
Yeah, I'll get you a card. If we get any green dates, I don't expect so why?
Like, I mean, this time.
Blue and golds we usually get.
We usually get some of them. We got one pair that's
These are little babies a few days old.
a year.
Yeah, one's 7 days old, one's 11.
Scarlet,
That one's a week,
one
and
pair
that one's
we
11
got
days.
that's not made for legs.
Sale, young hybrid.
Yeah, we don't do any.
Yeah. Let's just tough enough to get the regular one.
Well, we just.
I mean, you gotta have a lot of work.
No.
Blue and golds, they were all.
Yeah, there's some peacocks and stuff back there. There's
Fungo. That went down, back where we go. And there was, I mean, they're all.
Most people got them without horses. We don't.
babies are from
Janelle is 2 peacocks,
You
and,
are free.
and they're starting to have babies.
What? What is it? Huh? I'm not gonna. No. Oh, yeah. You want to jump on me too.
Here's one. Hey, Will, he'll bite you hard. Come here, Hans.
Roll back.
Come on. Yeah, too many get somebody too high. There's somebody down here on this.
Little stick right there. Come here.
See, I had a wild blue and gold.
Yeah, we got several of them.
Oh, look at this one.
Man, who was that that sounded like a McCall over here? Who was that that screamed? That African?
When they were.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Oh, everybody likes mommy, huh? They're all... What a big boy, though. Ooh.
He climbs up at, he's down. Grabs him.
Aren't you out there?
Come here, you're not breathing hard.
How old is he?
5, 6 years old.
Yeah.
Can I hold the kitten?
He's beautiful. He's a beautiful one. One of the ones I've ever seen. Colin.
Hello?
We got one male in the birdies.
Yeah.
Got a bigger beak and all that.
They're only bigger than him? You ever get any hyacinths?
He can afford to buy a pair of them.
Nah. Still run 10 grand a piece? Yeah. Can't believe what he sold though.
Pretty. Isn't he pretty, Dad?
Oh, he's beautiful.
He's
That's a
gorgeous.
beautiful boy, man. Beautiful beak.
He talk when ain't nobody in here, but when
No.
somebody in here to listen to him, he won't say nothing.
He's a beautiful bird, though. Beautiful.
He can say just about anything. He's the best talker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's learning to sing. And he can whistle. I've never heard another McCall whistle. He can whistle. He can't whistle loud.
But yeah, I had to go out in the snow, and I used to have people call the cops, say someone's getting killed in that apartment. Go check it out.
Show it off. Okay.
I used to
come back
whistle.
up that little gray one over there now. He looks like he's cute. Yeah, he looks like.
He's
Okay.
hoping.
Wonderful, huh? Okay.
We just take a look at the peacocks? Sure. Okay.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. They're leaving. They're going. Bye-bye.
You want to be friends?
Bye-bye.
Come answer us. feathers. He's neat. Isn't he? Look that one. What one? Bye-bye. Wasn't that neat how he looked up? Bye. Donna.
Open the window.
Donna, talk about